How to download Instagram story with music on iPhone. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can download Instagram story with music on iPhone. So let's dive in. So first open your Instagram app and then you have to just go to your profile icon on the bottom right corner. Now click this plus sign over here to post a story. Now here you can see I have a picture over here and now I'm going to add music to it. Click this music icon. Search for music. For example, I want to add this music. So here you can see I have added this music. Click done on the top right corner, and once done, click these three dots on the top right corner and then click save. Now I'm going to add the music and show you. Now once you do that, go to your photos, and here you can see if I play this, it's not having any music. Now go back to your Instagram app. Now you have to click the stickers icon and add a sticker from your avatar section. Just click avatar over here and then create any avatar, or you can just go to the stickers and search for a GIF like this one, a moving sticker. So this GIF, I'm going to add this one and then add the music back and click these three dots and then click save and show you it's going to save the music as well. So now I have muted the music, but now if I play the video, it's going to play the music as well. So that's how you can download the Instagram story with music on iPhone.